Hello, this is 1105 Rockwall. We are on the very end of week 2, starting week 3 of this 8-week project. Nothing has been done to the outside yet, but they're going to fix these lines going through the siding. There's several of them, and they're on a lot of the houses around here actually, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but they have made some progress. Y'all want to see the living room first, or the parlor? I thought so. So living room, flooring's been taken up. Not much going on in here. Put in a new water and ice connections here. Refrigerator's on the other side, obviously. We are going to remove this panel. Not sure if I just did that before. Looks like a bath towel. So here was 2 exit doors, 1 exit door, double door, and we removed that and just put windows to the backyard. So they're going to be framed and cased, just like the others in the house. Dining area, breakfast nook, whatever you call it. So this French door is rotted completely. The flooring here. The problem is there's no drainage on the backside. So it all runs right off the back onto this patio, then runs right back up toward the house. So that's going to be fixed. There's a little kitty cat door right there. Laundry room. Got the cabinets. They're going to put, I think, shaker style doors on there. Got the water heater brought up to code. Has to be on a stand. So that's done. This is the guest bathroom downstairs. We need a vanity and mirror. Natalie wants to put this board all the way around. Kitchen. They've primed the cabinets. Well, some of them. So not much going on. Oh, we do have the ceiling done. And we couldn't get around this pipe here, so it's staying. I personally think it adds character. So there's that. No, we're not going to tear out the wall to have access to the Harry Potter room, which is under the stairs. But there is a TV under there and like a sofa of some sorts. Anyhow. Sorry. This is the parlor sitting room. Got the wood paneling gone. Got regular walls up now. It's textured. Master bedroom. This plug in the middle has to move back over toward the door. I'm not sure why it's in the middle of the room, but it's not where it should be. It's way over there. Maybe that's where the entrance was before. Who knows? all this plywood was rotted out, and it's like they just put plywood boards over the top of it, never really addressed the structure beneath. So we had to come in and reset these 2x6s, and we're going to re-put the subflooring to make sure it's done right. Upstairs. The art room. The sink was taken out. The windows will be cased like this throughout the house. Second bedroom upstairs. Third bedroom, we've got the art bedroom, art studio. The other bedroom next to the bathroom there. That's the art studio. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. Natalie says the closets are very small. But how much clothes do the kids need, right? We're gonna have to fix the squeaks. The bathroom. Nothing much has been done in here. The walls are ready to go. That's it.